to create a charming and attractive beauty. Drop filling machines are often designed with flexibility and variety to serve the specific needs of the production process. They can be adapted to pour different types of mixtures from melted chocolate to solid sugar or chocolate frostings. This helps create cakes with perfect and attractive frosting. Looking at the muffin, you will immediately be attracted by its attractive appearance with a golden crispy outer shell, creating a perfect highlight. The taste of this cake will make your taste buds feel excited and excited. These two-layer cream cookies are not only a sweet treat but also a true work of art. The combination of the crispy cookie layer and the smooth cream layer creates a fascinating enjoyment experience for your taste buds and taste buds. Every cut packaged cookie is a work of art, and Cookie Capper helps make that dream come true. With its flexibility and precision, this machine not only makes cookie production easy but also produces cookies of diverse shapes, sizes, and designs. Are you looking for an interesting vocational course? Join this roofing team. Using lemongrass essential oil in soap production helps to antibacterial, repel insects, and reduce pain effectively. Here we can see the pinpoint accuracy in the production of ceramic tiles. This creative idea reminds me of the childhood game called Maze. Dude makes chopping wood look like a martial art. Do you know that gluten is the key factor determining the elasticity of noodles? The paint of the metal roofing sheet isn't scratched after the bending process. Guys, wanna see some magic? Watch closely. With press brake, bending complex parts has never been so easy. The hydraulic swagger only needs a moment to assemble the wire rope slings. For large objects like this, we need a dedicated automatic wrapping machine. The grass excavator cuts through large chunks like slicing butter. Share your impressions about this powerful machine that created this giant spring. Shoemaking seems to be a purely manual craft, but machines can still accomplish it. The computer screen undergoes a rigorous stress test. If Thor's hammer were made of hydraulic steel, this must be the process to create it. Those hot red spots are indeed glass bottles of the future.